Good morning everyone, I am Sk.Nikhat Anjum. Today I am here to explain about dictionary. Dictionary. Dictionary is a sequence data type. It represents group of elements in the form of key and value pairs. Key represents the first element in the dictionary and the immediate element represents as a value. Both key and value pairs are separated by colon symbol. The collection of key value pairs enclosed within opening and closing braces is called dictionary. Let us see how to create a dictionary. Creating a dictionary. In Python, a dictionary can be created by placing a sequence of elements within curly braces separated by comma. Dictionary holds pair of values, one being key and the corresponding pair being key value. Now let us look at the example. Here D is the dictionary in which the elements are, that is key value pairs are enclosed within opening curly brace and closing curly brace. Here the keys are name, regard number and department. Since the keys are strings, they can be enclosed within single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes. And here the values are Anjum 123 and CSE. Values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas keys can't be repeated and must be immutable. And it is important to note that dictionary keys are case sensitive. The same name but different cases of key will be treated as differently. Now let us see a Python program of creating a dictionary. Creating a dictionary with integer keys. Here these are represented in hash symbol, which means these are comments. Comments give the additional information to the program. These are neglected until they are executed by the interpreter. Now let us take a dictionary dict, which gives us the key and value pairs within opening and curly braces. Here the keys are 1, 2 and 3 and the values as geeks for geeks. Now let us print dictionary with the use of integer keys. Now printing the above dictionary, we get the output as shown in the output of line 2. Now creating a dictionary with mixed keys, let us take a dictionary named dict which stores values within opening and closing braces. Here the keys are name and 1. Here name is of string data type and 1 is of integer data type. And the values are geeks and within list the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here geeks is of string data type, so it is enclosed within double single quotes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is of a list data type. Now we are going to print dictionary with the use of mixed keys. Now printing the dictionary of mixed keys, we get the output of line 4. Dictionary can also be created by the built-in function dictionary dict of within parentheses. And an empty dictionary can be created by just replacing to the curly braces. So it can be written as dict equals to curly braces. Here dict represents the name of the dictionary and the curly braces represents an empty dictionary. Now let us see how to add elements to a dictionary. In Python dictionary, the addition of elements can be done in multiple ways. One value at a time can be added to a dictionary by defining value along with the key. The syntax is dictionary of key equals to value within single quotes. Here, The dict E represents the name of the dictionary, and the value key is enclosed within square brackets, and the value is assigned to dictionary of key, which is enclosed in single quotes. Updating an existing value in a dictionary can be done using built-in method, that is update method. Now let us see a Python program of adding elements to a dictionary. First of all, let us create an empty dictionary. Dict equals to open braces and closing braces. Print of dictionary. Now let us print the dictionary, empty dictionary, that is shown in the output of line 1. Now let us add elements to the dictionary. Dictionary of 0 equals to high. Here 0 represents the key value and high represents the value. We can see in the output that 0 colon high, and dictionary of 1. Here 1 represents the key and the value assigned to 1 is welcome. In the output we can see that 1 colon welcome. Similarly, dictionary of 2 equals to 2. Here the key value is 2 and the value for the key 2 is 2. You can see in the output that 2 colon 2. Now the adding another element to the dictionary, that is dictionary of 3 equals to Python. Here 3 is the key and Python is the value. We can see in the output that for the key value 3, the value Python is assigned. And the last one, adding element, dictionary of 4 equals to programming. Here the key is 4 and the value is programming. So in the output we can see that for the key value 4, the value programming is assigned. Now let us print the dictionary which we have modified and added elements to the empty dictionary. So we can see the last line of the output as shown. Now let us add elements using update method. The update method is used to update the dictionary with the elements of another dictionary. Now let us see a Python program that is used update method. Let us take a dictionary called person, which consists of keys as name and age and the values as ABC, and the value of age is 22. Another dictionary is S, that consists of keys as profession and the salary, and the values are software and 80,000. Now updating the person using update method, we use the syntax the dictionary d dot update of another dictionary from which we have to update the elements. Now we are going to update the dictionary person, so by using the dictionary S. So person dot update of S. So now we are going to print the dictionary person. So we can see the output 1. In the output 1, the name colon ABC, age colon 22 are the elements of the person dictionary, and the profession colon software and salary colon 80,000 is the elements of the dictionary S. So we can see that the person dictionary was updated by the dictionary person and as well as S. Similarly, we are going to update the dictionary S by using the dictionary person. So we can see the statement S dot update of person, and we are going to print now the dictionary S. In the second line of the output, we can see that the S dictionary contains its elements profession colon software N, salary colon 80,000, and the remaining elements are from the person dictionary, that is name colon ABC and age colon 22. If any key value is present that is being modified, then that key value is updated. If any key value is absent that is being modified, then that key value is added to the dictionary. Now let us see how to access elements of a dictionary. In order to access the items of a dictionary refers to its key name. Key can be used inside square bracket. The syntax of how to access the elements of a dictionary is name of the dictionary within square brackets the key value. This returns the value which we require. Now let us see a Python program to demonstrate accessing of elements of a dictionary. Let us take a dictionary called dict. It consists of keys as 1, 2 and 3 and values as Python programming ABC. In order to access programming, we use the key value with name dict. We use the key value 2 with name dict. So we are going to print dict of 2 so that it returns programming. Similarly, in order to access Python, we use the key 1 with the dictionary name dict. So we are going to print dict of 1 in order to get Python. So the output of print dict of 1 will be Python. There is also a method called get method that will also help in accessing the elements from a dictionary. This method accepts key as an argument and returns the value. The syntax of get method is the name of the dictionary dict dot get of key comma within square brackets value. Here key refers to value to be searched in the dictionary and it returns associated value. Here value refers to an optional argument and it is the value to be written if key is not found. Now let us see a Python program related to this. Let us take a dictionary called dict, which consists of keys are 1, 2, 3, 4 and values as welcome to Python programming respectively for the keys. Now we are going to access the elements using get method. To access the element Python, we use the key 3. So we are going to print the element to be accessed using get method. So print of dict dot get of 3. Now we get the value Python. If we use dict dot get of 5 which is not found, then we get the value returned is none. Similarly, if we use dict dot get of 5 comma 5, then we get the value as 5 to be returned. Since value is optional, if it is not found, then we can mention, or if we do not mention it, the value will be returned as none. Now let us see how to use for loop in a dictionary. Let us consider a dictionary called D, which has keys as name, department, register number and values as VVIT CSC 5L2. Now let us add a new key called gender with its value of key is female. So the new dictionary will be as shown in the output one, that is name, department, regard number, gender. These are the keys, and VVIT, CSE, 5L2, female, and these are the values. Now we are going to use for loop in the dictionary in order to print separately keys and the values. Now writing the step for K in dictionary D, print of K. When the loop is terminated, we print /n so that the loop ends and enters into the new line in order to execute the next loop. Now, firstly, in the dictionary, the key value name is initialized to K and it prints the name K, and it is given by a space, and then the cursor goes back and it is incremented to the next key value, that is department, and that department is assigned to K, and that K is printed as department. Again space, again the cursor moves to the dictionary and it is incremented to the next key, that is register number, and the register number is assigned to K, and that register number is printed, that is print of K, print of register number, space. Again the cursor moves to the dictionary and it is incremented and the value is assigned to K, that is gender. Now print of K, gender. As the dictionary is completed, the for loop gets terminated within the loop and the controller executes the statement X, that is print of /n. It is new. Now the controller terminates the loop and prints /n. Similarly, using the for loop to print values. Now, initially, the key value name is assigned to K, and the controller enters into the body of the loop. Now, print of D of K, which means D of name. We have given the value, that is VVIT, for the key name. So, it prints VVIT space. As we are separated by a space, it gives a space, and then if the controller again goes back to the dictionary and it is incremented to the next key, and the next key is department, and this department is assigned to the value K, that is key. Now print of D of K, that is D of department. We have assigned CSE value to the key department, so it returns CSE space. Again the controller is incremented to the next key, and the key is register number, and that is assigned to key. So D of register number returns 5L2, which we have assigned it as, and similarly the controller goes back to the dictionary and is incremented, and the gender is given to the key, and print D of gender, it returns female. So like this we can access the elements using for loop. Let us discuss two important methods in the dictionary. Length method. This method is used to calculate the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. The syntax is length of name of the dictionary. And delete method. This method is used to delete particular key value. The syntax is the keyword del space name of dictionary, and within square brackets the key that deletes the key and the value. The element is deleted or not can be verified by using membership operator in, or the whole dictionary can be printed on the screen by using the output function print. Now let us see a Python program regarding this methods. Let us take a dictionary called M, which consists of keys as 1, 2, 3 and values as 1, 2, 3. Print of length of M. This prints the length of M, that is 3, which can be seen in the output of first line. And del of M of 2. This del is the key 2 and the corresponding value 2. Now let us modify the dictionary by adding an element called key 4 and the value 4. Now print of M. Now we can print M, that consists of keys as 1, 3, 4 and the values as 1, 3 and 4 in strings. Now we are going to use for loop in the dictionary, and in order to find whether the element 2 is deleted or not. So we are using a membership operator in. So for k in M, first the 1 is initialized to k. So print of M of k, M of 1. This returns 1 in the string format. So 1. We can see in the third line of the output. And similarly, the cursor goes back to the for loop and M is incremented to the next key, that is 3. Key 3 is assigned to K, so print of M of 3. This prints 3 in the string format, and similarly the cursor moves to the for loop and it is incremented and the incremented to key, next key, that is 4. The 4 is assigned to K. Now M of 4 equals to 4. We can see that there is no 2 in the key, no 2 in the key, no 2 in the dictionary, so hence it is proved that the key is deleted. Now let us see how to convert list into dictionary. The precondition of given list converting into dictionary is there must be two lists. It is the most important step to be noted. This process is a two-step process. Step 1, using zip class object or zip method, and the step 2 is using dictionary method. Step 1, using zip method. Zip method accepts two parameters. The type of the parameters is list. Once the zip method executed successfully, it returns zip class object. The zip class object consists of sequence of list items. Let L1, L2 be the names of the two lists and L be the zip class object. So the syntax is L equals to zip of L1, L2. Since we have made zip object using zip method, now let us look at the dictionary method. Now we create zip object into dictionary. So step 2 is dictionary method. Dictionary method accepts one argument, that is zip class object. Once the dictionary method executed successfully, it returns key value pairs. The syntax is D equals to dict of L, where L is the zip class object. Let us see a Python program of converting two lists into a dictionary. Let A be the keys of a dictionary and B be the values of a dictionary. Now we are going to convert in A comma B, that is list, into a zip object. So zip of A comma B converts into a zip object, and that zip object is stored in L. So we are going to print the L and the zip object is shown as N. Now we are going to convert the zip object as a dictionary. So we are passing the zip object as an argument of a dictionary, and it converts into dictionary and it is stored into D. Now we are going to print D. It gives the dictionary by using two lists. Here the keys are physics, English and maths, and the values are 97, 96 and 100. So this is about the dictionary in detail, and thank you.